Today, it is number 20. That is the day. We're gonna be opening up some advent calendars. And, you know, if you don't know that, then...
Where have you been?
I don't know if you're human.
Maybe you're just watching the even number videos. We're opening up the Nativity Advent Calendar from Precious Moments. Thank you, Precious Moments, for the free product.
It's another wise man. He goes down here because he's not there yet. He's like 3 years away.
The second wise man chose frankincense to bring to the far-off land of the newborn king.
Okay, now it's time to open up Precious Snowman.
This is a Christmas tree advent calendar right here, and it's very good. Thank you, Precious Moments.
Today's is a Christmas
advent
bulb.
calendar product.
It looks like.
All right, we got a Christmas bulb. It's going on the tree.
So wait, hold on. Hold on.
Just read it.
These pretty aqua bulbs will brighten things up. We got them for Applegate when he was a pup.
Aw,
Is Applegate the dog?
Doggy.
Snow dog.
Now it's meat time. So day 20 is right now. So let's see what today holds. It holds spicy orange habanero beef strips.
Whoa!
Alright.
Professional jerky catcher.
Who's this
Wait, they were
Apollo
nice.
here?
What?
Great.
Okay, you guys ready yet?
Yes. Pretty good. Not really that spicy.
You know what, yeah. That's a really good flavor. I'll be honest. You know, the ghost pepper one, it was just too spicy.
I like it.
Actually, no, this one, I swallowed it wrong.
Alright, let's get into the jewelry.
Okay, it
Guys.
is. It's pretty spicy, guys. Oh my gosh, I swallowed it down the wrong way.
What's going on over there?
It's worse than the ghost pepper if you swallow it the wrong way.
I'm sure it is.
It's worse than eating if you're choking. All right, number 20. Wow.
If you can't tell yet, I don't handle I don't handle spicy things very well. I don't know how I didn't cough on the ghost pepper one, but this habanero.
I'm just
All
vibing.
right, now
It is
this
sapphire, true, real sapphires.
One, it's not. Now this one is a bunch of blue rhinestones on a ring. Day number 20.
Sorry.
Let's get into it.
What is it gonna be?
It's another. Well, this one's glam gloss, but it's golden this time.
Put it on my hand.
Glowl trowel.
Look at that. It's very glammy.
It is glammy.
It's better than
Ooh,
glammy.
that's
It
really
smells good.
glammy.
What about the
Okay,
cheese?
it's cheese.
Oh yeah, we gotta open up the cheese. I almost forgot that cheese exists.
Micah, stop it.
This is 210. We're gonna be opening up 210 today. You know what I really hate?
Somebody asked me.
Hold on, let me. So in French, 80 is 80, which is 420.
Oh no.
So if I say 210, that's basically just 20 but in French.
420.
But it's 20 is 20 in French. But like, why? Why is it 420 to say 80 in French? Like, come on.
At 80 o'clock, I'd be vibing.
But I mean, I guess if French people were to see English, they'd be like, what? What is that?
Okay, 20.
Except we do have T's, which they also have, so
Micah, stop it.
kind of. All right, that's enough ranting. This is number 18. What?
20's under it.
20.
Oh yeah, okay. Oh no, the cheese fell in the back.
We'll pick that up. We'll fix it in
Micah,
post.
please. Okay, so this is hot and spicy. Do I get all this? Guys, I can't handle this.
I'm eating some of it.
Camera. Hey, you put that back.
Yeah, I don't like this.
Mama, here, take this cheese.
Aw.
I don't
You're
like
not
the
gonna
hot
be-
Just gonna leave it on the floor?
Like, I would rather have my cheese all natural, if you know what I'm saying.
Hey, are you gonna pick it up?
Why not?
Why are you just standing there like this?
There's no mouse.
There's plenty of mice here.
No.
There's mice running around in Bappa's walls and ceiling. But I can hear them like going in the ceiling
They
and
make
the
a
walls.
Very metal noise.
Not like that. It's more like
Keep all this.
It's literally like that. It sounds like that.
Like the squirrels in our attic in summer.
Yeah.
Okay,
All right, let's open up this beautifully wrapped
Let's
gift.
not keep that in though.
let's open up this gift.
Whoa!
Don't break it. This is from Learning Resources. Thank you, Learning Resources, for the free product. Okay.
Splashology. Wow, there's a whole study of splashes.
This one
Come here,
is
come here.
Waterland.
I need to get a degree in splashology. Does that
Dive
exist?
into the wonders of water science with this splash-filled experiment set. Can you say I'm Woa?
Oh, okay. So
Lola.
with this, you can do different things. You can make it into a submarine. You can make it all cool. But right now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna mess with food coloring. Tiny little blob.
Wow. That's so incredible.
Okay, so now it's blue, and now we're gonna put it into here. Bam! It's purple now because we mixed red and blue.
That's how colors work.
Let's add even more. Let's add some more. Let's do it. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the funnel up here.
This is called additive colors. Additive color adding.
What's
I think.
next?
Is it?
What's next, Micah? You tell us.
Is natural color mixing
There's red
additive
and blue, Micah.
or subtractive?
Red and blue, May.
Purple.
Look at that. Purple.
What's Mexico?
What's
Now-
Mexico?
Green.
What is Mexico? Okay, so the screen is nothing's gonna happen if we put this
It'll
in.
turn it. Wow.
Well, because it's water, it won't be. It's more
This
like
is
a-
called subtractive color mixing.
It's like a neutral, gross,
Complete opposite of what I
black
was saying.
color.
Because basically with additive color mixing, that's kind of what happens on computers because they have values for the colors. When you add them together, once you hit white, all the values add to the hexadecimal value 16, which is F. You're adding.
I need it.
Okay, do it.
It's not gonna
not
work.
how it
There's no
works.
soap.
Okay, so now what we're gonna do
soda, but would work.
is we're gonna add both.
We should add soap though. So like
What happened? Watch, Micah.
Swamp color.
Wow.
Go change to soap.
So incredible.
Micah wants to add soap.
Look at that. Let's add one. Let's add blue, Micah.
Blue. Take it. You don't need a funnel for this one.
It is now
It's
a
fine.
good, healthy brown color.
Look at that. It's like a brown green.
Okay, now it's time to open up this donate gift, and this is from Moose. Thank you, Moose, for the free products.
It is once again another Cheeky Puff. We've been through this enough times. You guys know what a Cheeky Puff is. We just have a lot of these, and
Wait,
not a lot
Cheeky
of other
Puffs!
things.
All right. So thank you for watching. Please comment,
Wait!
share,
Thank
subscribe.
you. Thank you, Moose, for the free product.
Follow us
Sorry,
on
Dave.
Twitter, and thank you. I mean, bye, YouTube.
Micah, say bye, YouTube.
Bye, YouTube.